Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, I am back with another Valentine's Day look. So I wanted to create a look that was fairly easy for you guys for Valentine's Day. So this is what it looks like, obviously. So if you're interested in watching me create this look, go ahead and keep watching. Also, if you are new here to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and keep on watching. I'm going to do my foundation first. I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation with concealer. To conceal, I'm going to use the Pro Conceal concealer. The color I use is Pure Beige. For my contour color, I'm going to use this contour stick by Black Radiance. Since my hair is so high up in this ponytail, I want to make sure that my face is looking really snatched. So I'm going to make sure I contour my chin very well to hide that double chin. Before blending that out, I like to use my setting spray to wet my face. And then I'm just going to start blending it out. To set, I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to put that under my eyes, above my lip, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin, kind of to, straighten out that contour. Following that set, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and use this light pink as my transition shade and put that in my crease. Next, I'm going to go into my Colourpops Chasing Rainbows palette and take the color Manifested and start to pack it on my lid. Once I've got that packed on there, I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm going to take the color Keep Cool and put that right underneath the color Manifested and just start packing it right on top of my lid. Once you've got that color packed on there, next step is to blend. Now you're going to take the color Not Playing, and I did spray it to wet it a little bit, and I just packed that right in the middle of my lid. Now you just want to go back and make sure that everything is blended well, and then you're going to take your eyeliner and start to wing it. I'm going to go back in with that color Not Playing and put that underneath my eye. Now I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match foundation and start to blend out that setting powder. For bronzer, I'm going to use the NYX matte bronzer and start to warm up my forehead, my nose, and intensify that contour. Blush is by Juvia's Place. I believe the color is Bella, and I'm just going to pat that on my cheeks and start to drag that up my cheekbones. Next for blush, I'm going to use this pink out of the Makeup Revolution highlighter trio kit thing, and I'm going to spray it first to intensify it. After highlight, I did go off camera and add some lashes. You know, this look was already pretty dramatic before lashes, but I wanted to add more drama. For lip color, I tried this Wet n Wild cherry picking and decided that was way too light, so I took the MAC color Antique Velvet and blended in with that. This is it for the tutorial. This is your final look. Hopefully this tutorial was easy enough for you guys to follow. Let me know in the comments below if it was or was not, or what other kind of looks you guys want to see. And if you are not already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at MalloryAlexis. Subscribe if you haven't already, and you guys will see my face in the next video.